Did you know that cervical cancer is one of the most preventable and curable cancers if detected early? Well, since January is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, let's talk about cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is a cancer of the cervix, which is lower part of uterus that connects to the vagina. And in 99%, cervical cancer is mostly caused by HPV virus, which is human papilloma virus, and this virus is mostly transmitted through sexual contact. HPV virus has many strains or types, but the most dangerous one is type 16 and 18, which mostly is the one that causes cervical cancer. And HPV virus is asymptomatic, meaning it doesn't show any symptoms. So let's talk about those girls or women who are at high risk of getting this cervical cancer. First of all, those girls who associate in or who involve in early sexual intercourse. Why are they at high risk of getting cervical cancer? Is because their cervix is developing and is more vulnerable to infection. Number two, having multiple sexual partners or a partner who has multiple sexual partners puts you at high risk of getting cervical cancer, and that's why loyalty and marital trust is very important. Number three, smoking. Girls or women who involve in smoking also are at high risk of getting cervical cancer. Number four are those women with HIV and AIDS or any condition that lowers immunity. That's why they are advised to go for frequent screenings to detect HPV virus early. And the most scariest thing about cervical cancer is one, it does not show any signs and symptoms during its early stages. And that's why pap smear screening, HPV DNA tests are very important so that it helps detect HPV infection very fast. And early detection leads to early treatment, and you get cured and you live a cancer-free life. And for those girls who are at the age of 9 years and above, you are advised to go for and take HPV vaccinations. And don't forget that on 29th of this month, Linda Africa will be hosting cervical cancer awareness session on Express. Don't forget to tune in to learn, to get knowledge about cervical cancer, the screenings, and and the treatments. See you there.